This is a 5th gen 4Runner, and this video is going to show you how to change the air filter in it. This job is easiest and safest with the engine completely cooled down. Start by popping the hood with this lever under the dashboard, and then open the safety latch under the middle of the hood. Lift the hood and look for the air filter box. It will be on your left when looking at it from the front. This airbox clamshell is kept closed with 4 metal retaining clamps. 3 of them are easy to find, but there's a 4th one in the back corner. While this can be taken apart more for more direct access, you can now open the airbox and slide the old filter out. Before putting the new filter in, be sure to clear out any debris in the airbox since it will block off part of the air filter as soon as the engine starts pulling in air. These V6 4Runners already make V8 mileage with 4-cylinder power, so it's best to let it breathe as easily as possible. The new filter slides in with the fiber mat side down and the seal at the top. The seal is orange in this new filter, but your color may be different and that's fine. Check the video description for a few different air filter options. I used a Wix filter here, but for future air filters I will try to find a US made one. I'll put some links in the description for a few good filter options with some details like that listed for each one. Thanks for watching Car Simplified.